I've seen worlds you've never known about. I have grown, Odin's son, in my exile. I have seen the true power of the Tesseract, and when I wield it...
Who showed you this power? Who controls the would-be king?
I am a king!
Not here! You give up the Tesseract! You give up this poisonous dream! You come home.
I don't have it. You need the cube to bring me home, but I've sent it off I know not where.
You listen well, brother.
I'm listening.
Do not touch me again.
Then don't take my stuff.
You have no idea what you're dealing with.
Shakespeare in the Park?
Doth mother know you weareth her drapes?
This is beyond you, Metal Man. Loki will face Asgardian justice.
He gives up the cube, he's all yours. Until then, stay out of the way.
Tourist. Okay.
Power at 400% capacity.
How about that?
That's enough!
Now, I don't know what you plan on doing here.
I've come here to put an end to Loki's schemes.
Then prove it. Put that hammer down.
Yeah, no.
Bad call. He loves his hammer.
You want me to put the hammer down?
That's enough!
Now, I don't know what you plan on doing here.
I've come here to put an end to Loki's schemes.
Then prove it. Put that hammer down.
Yeah, no.
Bad call. He loves his hammer.
You want me to put the hammer down?
done here?
You were made to be ruled. In the end, it'll be every man for himself.
What do we do?
We get ready.
There was an idea to bring together a group of remarkable people. So when we needed them, they could fight the battles that we never could. Gentlemen.